Good day, I will share to you our Alfa Laval BWTS. We have problem about LPS, lamp power supply. Okay, this video I will show you how to fix and what is the common alarm. AOT, this is our AOT2. The AOT2 composed of these reactors. That is the lamps. This is the UV lamps. We have 12 UV lamps. This is very easy and friendly, unlike in Panacea, because in Panacea you have a wires that need to disconnect, or connectors, too much connectors that you need to disconnect. For this one, this is the LPS, lamp power supply. As you can see, there is an alarm, UV lamp fail, means you can easily detect where is the UV lamp that is busted. This is the tagging 12, and the other side is 12 also. In this other side, you need to lose that cover or remove that cover and then plug the adapter. It's that easy. Then this is the alarm, LPS SAM alarm at AOT1. Okay, and then also low UV alarm. Then we need to replace the UV. Okay, you need to turn off the power supply, then that one, the breaker, and then you can remove the UV cover and replace the UV. Okay, during turn off, as you can see, MCB trip LDC cabinet, okay, at AOT1. It means that is the breaker, and that is the specific alarm when you turn off the breaker for that LPS. Okay, remove this one. Take note, if you change the UV light or UV lamp, please do not touch the glass, because it will damage the UV. For example, that thumb marks, or the thumb what you call this, thumb marks. And then if you suddenly or unintentionally touch the UV lamps, there is a free sponge or a cleaner to wipe that, special cleaner or special wipes that cleans that glass. Okay, that is the cover, and then there is also a gasket inside the o-ring. You need to replace that one. That is the new o-rings. Okay, after that you need to change that one, including this UV lamp. Please be careful if you change that UV lamp. For me, I don't want to use my gloves because I only touching or holding at the tip. Okay, in Alfa Laval, if you change UV light, it is very simple. It's because there is only a cover and adapter. Unlike in the Panacea, there is lots of bolt and nuts that you need to disconnect before you can replace a one UV lamp. For this one, only connector. Okay, then put the cover, but situate, you replace the o-rings. Okay, at this side same process, and then plug the adapter. After that, tighten, hand tight only. For me, I use hand tight only. Okay, connect the adapter, and that's it. After you put back the cover, then hand tight. Okay, secured, and then we need to turn on the breaker. Mains fail, and then turn on. Mains fail, you turn off the breaker. That is the alarm. When you turn on, okay, that is good. Power on, and then the UV lamp is good. The UV lamp fail alarm is gone, means that is good. And right now we go to the HMI panel. We will check all alarm is cleared, but you cannot clear or you cannot accept. It's because it is not logged in. You need to log in. This HMI is at the engine side. Okay, advanced operator 2007. That is the password. Okay, and then you can clear it. My previous shape, Alpha Laval, same passwords. Then secured, and that's it. Thank you very much.